In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways I get paid from the same stock so you don't have to. It's very interesting that when people think about the stock market, they only think about buying. But whether you realize it or not, there are 3 ways you can get paid from the same stock. Because buying a stock isn't just a singular event. Buying a stock is actually a cycle of actions. And we want to make sure we get paid in every single step of that action. See, when people buy stocks, they buy for appreciation, but we buy stocks and we expect cash flow. Warren Buffett did this exact same thing in literally 1993 because when he wanted to buy Coca-Cola shares, he didn't just go and buy the shares, he sold options on it to generate cash flow. And when he did that, not only did he get the shares at the price he wanted, he also got paid cash flow. He got paid cash to the tune of $7.5 million to buy the shares he was already going to buy. See, what most people don't realize is that buying shares and buying stocks is not only a wealth equation for appreciation, it's an opportunity for cash flow today. So we get the appreciation, but we also get the cash flow. There's 3 events that happen when it comes to buying stocks that we take advantage of to get paid. Number one, buying the stock. Number two, holding the stock. And number three, when we eventually sell the stock. Each one of these events is a potential cash flow opportunity. But when you don't have the right strategies or the right information, you only get a little piece of the action instead of the most. See, the people who are winning in life and in money know how to make 8 different things from the same fruit. For example, if I just gave you nuts, you might think that, oh, these are nuts. I love nuts. I love almonds. I love granola. But you can also turn it into peanut butter, or you can turn it into Nutella, or you can turn it into or you can turn peanuts into other ingredients, right, that you can use. But the person who created peanut butter or invented peanut oil, okay, that's another thing you can use peanuts for, okay, they knew that the peanut seed itself, the peanut itself had potential in it. Same way with stocks. So here's how we get paid on each cycle of the transaction. First of all, let's get paid when we acquire the shares. You see, buying stocks is not just an event that we just hit buttons. It's an opportunity to get paid. And the way we do this is through selling put options. So pretty much how it works is that, let's say a stock is at $160, let's say Apple, but you want to buy it at $130. What you then do is that you sell options at $130. And what that does is that it forces you to buy Apple at $130. Well, that's what you wanted to do anyway. So it's a win scenario. But for promising to buy the stock at that price at 130, they pay you 1 to 2% in cash. So for example, if there were 100 shares of Apple I wanted to buy, that would be 13,000. Okay, if I was to buy it at the price of $130 a share, if I had 13,000 in a bank account, I can sell that 130 put on Apple and literally make like 200, $300 in a single week per contract. And the more you buy, the more cash flow you get paid. So I sell options, get paid cash. I have the shares already, okay? Thereby, I reduce the cost of the shares because I paid cash to buy it. While I'm holding it, that's another part of the transaction. What I'm doing here is that I'm selling covered calls on it, okay? I'm selling options every single month to get paid for the shares I already own. And then when I'm ready to sell it, I sell CC's covered calls on it again at a higher price. So I sell it, I'm forced to sell it at a price, but I got paid to do that. This is what the richest and the best investors do. They create win win scenarios out of every situation. I get paid when I buy, I get paid when I hold, and I get paid when I sell. So I get paid, paid, paid. And with the appreciation of the stocks, I get paid again. If you do some research into how Warren Buffett buys stocks, he doesn't only just buy the shares, he sells options to get into them if the opportunity exists. So the question you have to ask yourself is, do you have stocks right now that you're sitting on? Maybe that you want to buy, okay? Or maybe you've had in your 401k, or maybe your employer gave you a stock plan. Every 100 shares you have of a stock is cash flow that you've been living in your pocket. And by the way, I do this on a weekly basis. So every single week, I'm generating cash on my money. See, this is the fascinating world of option selling. And if you never heard of it before, welcome and buckle your seatbelt because it's going to be a wild ride. So here's a question for you. Do you have 100 of any shares? Because if you do, the game starts to change, because that's the caveat. Okay, for you have to have 100 of those shares or have the cash to purchase 100 of those shares regardless of the price. That's where your cash flow journey begins. Imagine getting paid every single week for thinking or promising to buy a stock at a price you want to buy it at. This is how the best of the best do it, and this is how you should start doing it. If you've ever heard of this before, comment below and let me know your questions. I also literally created a guide breaking down how to sell options to actually get paid cash flow to buy shares you actually want to buy below. It's called the Selling Income System. Grab that, and I'll catch you on the next video. Ciao for now.